Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Aircraft here, and in today's video, I'm not going to customize my avatar. We're going to play some Tornado Alley Ultimate. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me just... There we go. Alright, so Tornado Alley Ultimate is this fun game created by this group called Tornado Alley Community. So yeah, here it is. I'm going to say something on the wall. Just gonna say hi. Alright. Hi. Okay. And also the creator of this game is One Billy Bob 1. He's pretty cool. He also created this other game called Tornado Alley Roblox, but it's closed. And now hold on. Now when you go to his profile and then go to Tornado Alley Roblox, it's just closed. So if I just join, waiting for an available server, whenever I join, it just shows this. And now it just redirects me to Tornado Alley Ultimate. This game is so cool. Okay, it's probably really laggy because I'm recording. Oh no, 2 tornadoes. Let me check on my report. Yep, it's still working. Whoa. Oh, why is this so loud? Okay, someone needs help. Well, the tornadoes are over. And, yeah, so I'm just gonna... Someone found a fire extinguisher. Oh my god, what an ugly face. Sorry, but alright. Yeah, tornado's done. Oh, someone needs help. Oh, they're already being carried. Hey, drop them. I mean, her. Drop her. Alright, never mind. So I'm just gonna continue playing this game. Oof. And also, I just reached 200 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Like, it was, like, my last video was to celebrate 100 subscribers. And it only took, like, a week One time it says that I oofed, like Joachim123 oofed. Hold on, let me just reset. Took the L. Alright. I hope I'm not dead when I get into the map. Oh, snap. Please don't get disconnected. Map voting. But the map voting is not on my screen right now. Doomsday clock. While chances are slim but not zero, it is unlikely that the world will end anytime soon. Oh, snap. Oh, please don't get disconnected. Okay, thank God. I did not get disconnected, yay! Alright, I'm just gonna say hi in the chat. Hi. I'm recording for my channel. I'm recording for my channel. Let's see if anyone says anything. Alright. Robloxian State Penitentiary. Oh, this is a prison. What's in here? Ah, someone oofed. Kai Plan oofed. Alright. Now let's go here. And here. And here. The food and stuff can regain your health. So, and this gravity coil can give you a lift. Is anything up here? Like a shelter key or a fire extinguisher? I'm a pro at this game. I have 125 survivals. Ooh, fire extinguisher. Yay, I got it before he did. Wait, why isn't it showing up here though? I have pizza, a burger, and a gravity coil. Oh no, the tornado's coming and someone found a shelter key. Lucky. Oh snap. How do now I actually need to escape the prison. Which is not something anyone should be doing. Oh snap. I'm escaping from prison. Freedom. There's a tornado. Yes, I need to escape that. Last time I played this game on this map was, there was a risk. Ah, this is the guy who found the shelter. I came up with this. This guy needs help. Wait, did he survive last time? Oh, that guy's in hell. Alright. I was... Alright, let me just go up here. And go here. And just hang out here and enjoy my pizza. Acid rain. Oh, snap. Who needs help? Oh, that okay. Alright, I guess I'm gonna have to stay in my prison cell. Alright, I'm just gonna sing Heathens. Alright, and I'm just gonna go here. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Alright. Oh, it's just please don't make any... Okay, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Now I'm gonna enter a map. It's raining acid. Oh, no! Okay. I'm gonna eat pizza. Alright. Someone got sent to their grave and someone is now history. Alright. That's kind of sad music. That is actually sad music. Alright. And, I'm just gonna crouch or not. Whoa. Alright. Alright, who survived? Sadly, not me. No reward. Dead. Ah, shit. Alright. So, I'm just gonna stay here. Wait, where's the doomsday clock? Oh, yeah, it was over here. Let's see. Low risk. While the chances are slim but not zero, it is unlikely that the world will end anytime soon. Oh. Alright. Let's hope no one reports me. Fall from a high height, you can break many different bones. Oh yeah, that's happened to me before. Islands! I think I found a shelter key in the islands before, and I know where it is. So I'm gonna try to find the shelter key, and then, go to the shelter. If I don't find a shelter key, I'm gonna have to try to survive the tornado without going into a shelter. And also, let's just try to survive this. Welcome to Islands. Yes, I know this is Islands. Survive anything Mother Nature throws at you. Can Mother Nature throw anything to me underground? I hope not. Now, I'm gonna go, Time Bomb Terror. Survive a tornado that launches out time bombs. Oh, okay. Alright. I think the shelter key was in one of those towers over there. I'm just gonna go to them and let's hope no one else finds it. No! Let's hope he didn't find it from that, tower. Someone found a bat. I think it was in this tower. I don't care that she got a broken bone. Yes! I found a shelter key. Now I just need to find the shelter. If only I can find the damn shelter. Now, where is it? Oh, I think it's on there, that island over there. Oh, wait, no, it's on this island. I clearly remember now. I found a bat, nice. I am going to the shelter, where I am going to survive this. I hope. Oh, snap. Wait, where's the shelter? I thought it was right behind there, but... Okay, Okay, maybe the shelter's on there or there. I'm gonna try to go on there. A tornado has touched down and bombs being launched from it. Let's hope it can't explode underground shelters, because if it can, then No! Oh, no! No, 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 no! Crouch, crouch, crouch! Oh, no! Alright, eat the pizza, eat the pizza. Oh, no. Alright, uncrouch. Sprint. Can I drive this boat, please? Okay, I'll take that as a no. Take me to that island. I have a shelter key. So I need to use... So the shelter key needs to fulfill its purpose. By taking me to the stinking shelter. You think I can survive this without, going to the shelter? I hope so. There's the shelter, there's the shelter, there's the shelter. Alright. Nice! I made it in. Alright. I'm in the underground shelter. I'm just gonna lie down in bed. Alright. Alright, and also guys, I'm gonna be doing a dare video to celebrate that I got 100 subscribers, but now I have 200, so I guess it's gonna be for 200 subscribers. So if you have any dares for me to do on Roblox, let me know in the comments. Like, dare me, like, what I can do on Roblox. They can be crazy, but not too crazy or crazy enough to get me banned. Alright? Because I don't need to get banned. I have Robux, and, well, not that I have any right now, but I did buy stuff that cost Robux. So, if I get banned, I'm screwed. It's gonna be a total waste of money for my parents. And a waste of gift cards. Alright, but guys, I'm gonna be doing a dare video, alright? You guys are gonna be daring me what to do on Roblox. Put your dares down in the comments below. Oh, someone else found it. So, put your dares down in the comments below. And they're only gonna be dares for Roblox. Atomic bomb. Alright, bye. Bye. Alright. Alright, so, I'm gonna be doing a dare video. Yeah, I already said that, I know. And, yeah, so, you guys are gonna dare me what to do on Roblox. So, yeah, please give me some dares, because if I get no dares, then the dare video might not be happening. So, there's a bomb being launched. Alright. Let's see where it's going. Where's the bomb even being launched from? Oh, snap. Oh my god, the bomb is right there. Ouch. Got pooned, lived, just kidding, died. Met their fate, kicked the bucket, sadly didn't make it. What? What are those messages? Oh, snap. If light is green, safe outside. If light is red, not safe outside. It's green, so it must be safe. Alright, now let me leave the shelter. Why can't I leave it? Oh. Can I still spectate? 11 perished while 6 survived. Oh, only 6 people made it to the shelter. Well, that's quite sad. Alright. And guys, again, oh, my friend Jackson said he had to go. Alright, I'm just gonna say okay. And yes, the name of our group chat is Ayeeeeeeeeeeeeeeee. And yeah, I'm the one who came up with it. And guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Put your dares for Roblox down in the comments below. And yeah, and also thank you for 200 subscribers, and congratulations to Lego Lucas Tan Animations for 300 subscribers. Alright, bye. See you guys next time.